In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your subscribers on Substack. If you're publishing a newsletter, keeping an eye on your audience is essential. Knowing who's subscribed, whether they're free or paid readers, and when they joined helps you understand what's working and where to focus next. The good news is that Substack makes this very straightforward. First, head to substack.com using any modern web browser. This takes you to the home of your publication. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so before you can access your dashboard. That dashboard is where all your publishing tools live, including your subscriber information. If you manage more than one publication under the same account, make sure you're viewing the correct one so the subscriber list reflects the audience you expect. Once you're on your publication's dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. There's a vertical navigation menu with key sections for running your newsletter. Find and click the option labeled Subscribers. It's typically near other essentials like posts and stats, and it stands out because it's the place dedicated to your audience list. After you click Subscribers, you'll land on a page that displays your reader base in a clear table. Here, you'll usually see each subscriber's status at a glance, such as free or paid, along with details like when they joined and how they signed up. This view helps you quickly gauge overall growth and engagement. For example, a rise in paid subscriptions often correlates with recent posts that resonated, while an influx of free signups might suggest a successful share or mention. Take a moment to scan what's visible without changing anything. That alone can reveal useful patterns like a recent cluster of new readers or a mix of long-time subscribers alongside fresh faces. If you notice an unexpected result, such as very few entries, remember that a brand new publication won't have much history yet. Also confirm you're in the right publication workspace, especially if you juggle multiple newsletters. As you review this page, keep privacy in mind. You're seeing sensitive audience information that should be handled respectfully and used only to serve your readers well. That's all there is to it. Go to substack.com, then click Subscribers on the left to open your audience list. With those two actions, you've reached the hub of your readership where you can understand who's following along and how your newsletter is growing. Keep this page handy as you publish. It's a quick way to stay connected to the people who make your work possible.